Tired of your Android keyboard hogging the entire screen and making one-handed typing a struggle? Today, we're unlocking a hidden gem within Gboard that lets you float it anywhere. First, open any app that brings up your Gboard. Like your messaging app, we need to access Gboard settings. So tap the settings icon. It looks like a gear. Once you're in the Gboard settings, look for an option called Preferences and tap on it. Inside Preferences, you'll find a toggle switch labeled Floating Keyboard. This is the magic button. Go ahead and toggle that switch on. You'll notice something immediately happens to your keyboard. See that? Your keyboard is now detached and free to roam. To move it, simply tap and hold anywhere on the main body of the keyboard. Now, just drag your finger to reposition the keyboard to the most comfortable spot on your screen. You can slide it up, down, left, or right, precisely where you want it. This is perfect for those moments when you need a bit more screen real estate or want to type comfortably with just one hand. You can even resize it by dragging the edges. To return the keyboard to its normal, full-width position, simply tap the expand icon, usually a square with an arrow, on the floating keyboard itself, and just like that, you've mastered the floating board. Enjoy a more flexible and ergonomic typing experience on your Android.